In today's fast-paced world, smooth data flow is crucial for any business. Data pipelines are not just about moving data, they support real-time analytics and batch processing, essential for key business functions. Let's look at a real-world example. A major online store preparing for Black Friday, the goal is to design a data pipeline that handles massive amounts of information from various sources like transaction databases, customer interaction logs, and external APIs, each with unique formats. JSON for transactions, CSV for logs, and structured APIs for product data. On Black Friday, data volumes skyrocket. Your pipeline must scale easily while maintaining top performance. A well-designed pipeline anticipates these spikes, ensuring continuous data processing and analytics without downtime. During peak hours, our online store's data pipeline ingests data from multiple sources, transforms it, and loads it into our data warehouse. This processed data helps create detailed sales reports and customer insights in real time. Turning collected data into actionable insights involves removing duplicates, adding context, and merging it to create comprehensive reports. These insights drive effective marketing and operational strategies. Processed data needs a reliable home. Data warehouses, data lakes, and analytical platforms are essential. Choosing the right storage format, like Parquet for efficient queries, ensures real-time analytics and reporting. Integrating these insights with business intelligence tools allows stakeholders to visualize key metrics and speed up decision-making. The key to effective data pipelines is understanding your data sources and business requirements. Preparing for Black Friday means ensuring our pipelines can handle transaction spikes and meet real-time needs, requiring scalable infrastructure and efficient data transformations. With a solid design strategy, implementation involves setting up the infrastructure and coding the pipeline for smooth data flow. Modern pipelines use cloud infrastructures that scale with demand. Tools like AWS Glue, Docker, and Kubernetes facilitate deployment, while Amazon S3 offers secure storage. Coding a pipeline involves scripting workflows to manage data movement and transformation. Python's versatility and Apache Airflow's workflow management simplify this process. Ensuring data quality with rigorous validation checks and real-time monitoring maintains pipeline reliability. Protecting customer data with encryption and compliance builds trust. Building and managing data pipelines requires technical expertise and strategic foresight. Understanding data sources, designing efficient transformations, and leveraging scalable infrastructures help organizations build reliable pipelines that support data-driven goals. Best practices in coding and data quality assurance keep pipelines dependable and high-performing. Thanks for joining us on this journey into data pipeline development. Ready to transform your data strategy? Watch our full video to unlock the secrets of building robust, scalable data pipelines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.